Okay, class, I'm still in chapter 5, equations. And in this particular scenario, I'm going to solve an equation with more than one operation. And so this is pretty much more of a real life situation that you will have more than one operation that needs to be performed in order to solve an equation. But the process and the steps are still the same. So the first thing we're going to do, right, is isolate the variable, right? So that still applies. So in order to do that, I'm going to change my pen and talk about how we're going to do that. So I'll change this to red, right? So the first thing we're going to do, order of operations is really important. So we would take our 1 and move it over, right? And that would become a positive 1 on this side, right? So I'm just going to keep the pen red. So we now know that we have 3n is equal to the 14 plus 1, right? So that's 15. So our 3n is equal to 15, right? And then we also know, I'll change it to blue for this so we can just keep in there. We're going to take our 3, if it's multiplied by, if it's 3n on this side, it's going to be divided by 3 on this side, right? So we now know that becomes n is equal to 15 divided by 3, right? And then second thing we're going to do is we're going to solve, right? Or identify the solution. So this n is equal to 5. And then the final thing we're going to do is we're going to verify. And so if we went back to our original equation, we'll just move that down here, right? So if we had 3 times 5 minus 1, that'd be 15 minus 1, and that'd be equal to 14. And that all checks out. All right? See you, or I guess I should say talk to you